capitalization as well. I still capitalize that first word. I would capitalize always any word after a colon, the first word after a colon, and then you would capitalize any word that's a proper noun and would be capitalized anyway. So in this case, it's like the word American. Other than that, none of those other words should be capitalized. After the period that ends the article title, then I list what is the title of the journal. So in this case, it's the Journal of Leadership Issues. It is italicized, the journal name is, and it follows your more traditional rules of capitalization. There's a comma after the journal, and then there is the volume number for that journal. You'll notice it also gets italicized, another comma, and then it has the page numbers at the very end, and then followed with a period. The page numbers are not italicized. The page numbers also do not have the word page in front of them. We don't put an abbreviation like a P or a PG. It's simply the numbers, 125 through 132. So in your reference list, if you have a book you want to reference, use the pattern that's listed there at the top. And if you have a journal article, you would follow the pattern there at the bottom. Now let's talk about citing our sources. Of course, we use APA formatting to cite sources in order to avoid plagiarism. We want to give credit where it is due to the author. There's two types of plagiarism. You can plagiarize an author's words, or you can plagiarize an author's thoughts. And we want to make sure we don't plagiarize it either way. In order to avoid plagiarism, we must cite our sources correctly. I'm going to show you 4 options for how you can cite your sources within your paper. First of all, back to the Hershey and Blanchard book, I have made up here, again, just for illustration purposes, an exact quote. So directly from their book, they have this line. It says, for a situational leader to be effective, he must strike the perfect balance between selling and telling. And let's say that, as the writer of my paper, I really, really like that line exactly as it's written. I don't feel like I can paraphrase that or word it any other way because it might lose some of its meaning or power. So I love the exact wording of the line. By the way, we would only use our direct quotes in our paper very